an enormous turnip, but finds it very difficult to do. What will he do? And how will he pull it out? Even I am curious now. Let me say no further and watch the story unfold. I call upon our little performers on stage. Ayman from UKG-A as the farmer, Isa from UKG-C as the farmer's wife, Muhammad Umar from UKG-B as Sam the boy, Mesha from UKG-F as Jerry the mouse, Faryal from UKG
Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer. He had a big farm. Hello everyone, I am the farmer. Welcome to my farm. I'm growing some yummy turnips. Let's plant the seeds.
Plant the seed. Water the seed. Plant the seed and see what it will be.
The seeds started to grow. However, one seed grew faster than the others. Then one day he woke up and saw. Oh my! This turnip has grown up so big. It is enormous. How will I ever pull it out? Let me try. One, two, three. Oh, for help! So the farmer called out to his wife, Lizzie. Lizzie darling, I need some help. What is the matter, dear? I am cooking. This turnip is enormous. Can you please help me to pull it out? Of course. Let's try together. So the wife took hold of the farmer took hold of the turnip. They pulled and pulled, but they couldn't pull out the turnip. This turnip out of the ground. Can you please help us? Oh my, that is enormous. Sure, I will help you. The boy took hold of the wife took hold of the farmer. Hello, Sam. What are you doing here? I was combing my hair. We need to get this turnip out of the ground. Can you please help us? Oh wow, that is one enormous turnip. Sure, I will help you. So the girl took hold of the boy took hold of the wife took hold of the farmer, and the farmer took hold of the turnip. They pulled and pulled, but they couldn't pull out the turnip.
Bow wow, I'm a big and strong dog. Bow wow, I'm a big and strong dog. Oh,
The dog took hold of the girl took hold of the boy took hold of the wife took hold of the farmer, and the farmer took hold of the turnip. They pulled and pulled, but they couldn't pull out the turnip. I have an idea. Let's call the friendly cat Tom from down the street. The dog took hold of the girl took hold of the boy took hold of the wife took hold of the farmer, and the farmer